Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need admin access to your page or a personal profile with followers enabled. Once you have that, open Settings and go straight to Page Info. Change the template to Public Figure or Business if the Follow button isn't visible. This exposes follower-related options. Next, in Settings, find Followers or Public Posts and toggle Allow Followers. Make sure your page visibility is public so people can follow without sending a friend request. Once done, move to customizing the button and placement. Now that followers are allowed, add the Follow button on your page by editing the page buttons and selecting Add Follow. This ensures a clear call to action. Make sure Public Post settings allow public followers and review comment ranking and profile settings to prioritize follower interactions. Customize the button text and placement for both mobile and desktop so it's prominent. Once done, test by logging out or using a different account to confirm the button appears and functions correctly. Finish by verifying the Follow button works. Test with another account and check both mobile app and desktop. Once confirmed, monitor follower counts for changes. If the button still doesn't show, clear browser cache, update the Facebook app, or temporarily reassign admin roles, then re-enable followers. These steps often refresh permissions. If problems persist, check for account restrictions like age, location, or page quality flags that block followers. Use these troubleshooting tips to resolve common visibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.